Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my videos. Today I'm sharing rainbow salad recipe. It is a healthy and easy recipe for breakfast time. Along with this rainbow salad, I will share easy breakfast recipe, rainbow salad sandwich and rainbow salad bites, which can be made with biscuits and salad. These salad bites can be suitable for snack time and also breakfast time. For rainbow salad recipe, I have taken yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper and green capsicum. This recipe has all the colors like rainbow. Dice cut all the bell pepper and capsicum. It looks so attractive. And take a bowl and add dice cut red onion. Actually that looks purple, and one tomato, then cucumber, then add green capsicum and red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. To make it spicy and tasty, add one chili, then add cabbage. I am adding green cabbage here. If you have purple cabbage, you can add that. Then add 1 teaspoon black pepper. Then sprinkle half teaspoon chaat masala. Don't add salt while making this salad, otherwise it will leave water. Whenever you are serving, add salt that time. Mix everything well. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil for dressing the salad. Mix everything well gently. So the rainbow salad is ready. You can see it has colors like yellow, red, orange, purple, green, light green, white. Blue color is missing, but we don't have any vegetable with blue color. If you have, you can add. Now I will show you how to make easy breakfast with this rainbow salad, that is rainbow salad sandwich. How to make rainbow salad sandwich? Make an omelette. Take a bread slice and spread 1 teaspoon sauce. This is hot and sour sauce. Spread it evenly. Spread salad on this bread slice. Sprinkle some more sauce on salad. Then place omelette. You can make omelette as you like. I have made it with spices. Take another bread slice and repeat the same. Apply some sauce and keep. Add salad on that and sprinkle sauce. Now you can see the rainbow salad sandwich is ready. It is very yummy breakfast. If you make this rainbow salad and store in refrigerator, you can just take a bread and spread sauce and keep the salad on it. You have to do nothing for breakfast. Very quick breakfast recipe this is. As well as it is very healthy for morning time. You can cut it like this and enjoy it. I love this recipe. I have made it first time and I only made it. Please tell me in comment if you like this recipe. If you like my idea, do like my video. Now I will show you quick bites of this rainbow salad. I have taken Monaco biscuits. You can take whatever biscuits you have at home. Now add the salad on top of the biscuit. Little you have to add because the biscuit size is very small. If you have bigger biscuit like Marigold, you can add that also. One by one, add the salad on biscuit. Do follow me on Instagram to get update of all the recipes. If you like my videos, please check my playlist. I would like to connect with all the small YouTubers. Keep connected and keep supporting. With the help of spoon, add little sauce on top of the salad. Sauce gives much better taste to this biscuit and salad recipe. It is very healthy also. You can enjoy this recipe in snack time or breakfast time also. Breakfast, like you can add it as side dish, not the main dish. Now the rainbow salad bites are ready. You can see how attractive it is. These little bites are very suitable for kids also. Try this recipe and do let me know in comment. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.